Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a TikTok filter from other people's videos. Now, it's very easy, pretty much the same thing. So what you want to do is tap on the search bar on the upper right corner here. And what you want to do is tap on filter like this. And then afterwards, you just want to tap on this one, for example, effects. And it says here, use this effect. Or you just tap one of the things and you're gonna see it, right? See the filter, tap on that, and then again it's going to say use this effect. Just tap on that and then just take a photo or a short video to use that effect from other people. As you can see, it is working. So yeah, that's really much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.